Hello, first graders. Our lesson for today in math is going to be Chapter 3, Lesson 7. It's ways to make 10 or make 10 to add. So we're still working on that standard OAC or OA6, which is strategy. So this is another strategy that can help you learn to add within 20. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at our two sets of tens. So in your math book, in the very back, on page WM2, it's at the back, there's two tens frames. So I recommend you ripping this page out and using whatever counters you have around the house, whether it's Skittles, M&Ms, or paper clips, whatever you may have around. You can use those to help you with that tens frame. So what it looks like is we're going to build a 10 to help us add. So this first one, it says there are nine counters in the yellow's tens frame. So if I put my 9 counters up here, and I know just by counting on a tens frame, the very top one, the top row has 5. So I know that there's already 5. Then I can count on 6, 7, 8, 9. Or you may be familiar that there's already 10 here, and I know one less than 10 is 9. So that gives me my 9 counters. Then I want to have, it says there are 5 counters in the purple tens frame. So I put my 5 counters down here. And what we're going to do to help us add is we're going to fill this tens frame. We're going to make this a 10. So I'm going to take one of my counters from the purple one, and I'm going to move it up into this yellow one to make a 10. So now I know I have 10 up here, and I only have 4 down here. So now I can help me. I have one group of 10 and 4 more, 4 ones. So then I have my answer of 14. So as you can see on the practice pages here, what it says is 9 plus 2 equals, we know that it's 11. We know we can move this over to make a 10, so now it becomes 10 plus 1, and that is the same as 9 plus 2. So using our strategy, make a 10 to help us add within 20. So let's do these first two together. So the first problem says 7 plus 5. So if I look at 7 plus 5, I know I can make a 10 with this 7. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my 3 counters up into that tens frame. So now instead of 7 plus 5, it now becomes 10 plus, and I only have these 2 left over here. So now I have these 2 down here. So it's going to be 10 plus 2. It's a little easier to add 10 plus 2 because it's one group of 10 and 2 ones. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. So that means 7 plus 5 is going to equal that same thing of 12. Okay? So if I look over at this one, 8 plus 7. I could do this in many different ways. We know our doubles plus 1. We know doubles minus 1. Today we're going to be making a 10 though. So I'm looking at here. I have 8 up here with my red. I have 7 down here at the yellow. I'm going to move 2 of my yellow up into that tens frame. So now I have a complete tens frame. That's what this one group of 10 is right here. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left over. So now it becomes 10 plus 5. That's a little easier to add for me. I know it's one group of 10 with 5 ones. 10 plus 5 equals 15. So that means 8 plus 7 is also equal to 15. So today for your lesson, I want you to do the independent practice page, and you're going to do the same. So the first two give you the frames up at the top and the counters, but these ones down here don't give you that those 10 frames. So turn in your books, your math books, to the WM2 in the very back. You can rip this page out, keep it, hold on to it, because you will be using it again in later math lessons. It's a great visual for you to use to help you to solve these. So complete the independent practice page and the back of the independent practice page. When you're done, submit your assignment into Canvas. If you have any questions, let us know.